Alright, here we have Donnie catching a bonefish. Go right over the top of it. Alright, hold on. Hold on. I gotta film this. Just horse them up, Donnie. Horse them up. Attaboy. Don't let them go over. There's Donnie with a nice Florida Keys schoolie bonefish. Okay, buddy. Put down your rod and take the hook out. You can do it, bud. It's already off. All right, let's go put him in the release net. Let's pick him up. Let's get a good picture for the camera. There's Donnie with a nice, turn him sideways so we can see him. Beautiful. Okay, let's put him inside the release net. Swish him around a little bit. Make sure he's got plenty of water. Let's get him turned over, and nice job, Donnie.